Right now, while you're watching this, people all over the world are building profitable, automated online businesses in less than 30 minutes using free AI tools. And here's the truth. If you don't start now, someone else will take the audience, the customers, and the income that could have been yours. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 free tools that will let you start and run a complete digital product business, even if you have 0 experience. And here's the kicker. Tool number 5 is such a game changer that it can 10x your reach overnight. Watch all the way to the end, and then click the links in the description to sign up for every single tool, completely free, so you can launch today. First up, Digistore.io, your entire online business control center. This platform lets you build landing pages, sales funnels, and websites in minutes with drag and drop ease. Automate emails so customers hear from you 24/7 without you lifting a finger. Host and deliver your courses, ebooks, or memberships inside the same platform. And here's why you need it now. When you have a funnel up, you can start collecting leads immediately. Every day you delay is money you're leaving on the table. The free plan is insane. Everything you need to launch with 0 upfront cost. Check the description right now for the free sign-up link to Digistore.io and lock in your account before you forget. Tool number 2, Digistore24. This is where your products turn into profit. Here's why this is a must-have. You can list your own digital products and sell globally, or instantly grab existing products from their marketplace and earn commissions up to 80% as an affiliate. They handle secure payments, tax compliance, and even pay your affiliates so you can focus on growing. Combine Digistore24 with your Digistore.io funnel, and you've got an automated selling machine running while you sleep. Don't wait on this one. Every product you add here can start earning you money today. Check the description for your free Digistore24 account link and set it up now before you move on. Tool number 3, ChatGPT, your 24/7 copywriter and content machine. You can have it write sales copy that gets people clicking buy now, social media captions that pull in attention, full email marketing sequences that sell on autopilot, even ebooks or guides to sell as your own product. The faster you create persuasive content, the faster you sell. And ChatGPT lets you produce weeks of content in hours. Stop wasting days staring at a blank screen. This is your speed advantage. Check the description for the free ChatGPT link and bookmark it. You'll be using it every day. Tool number 4, Canva, your design department in a browser. Here's the thing. Online, people judge with their eyes first. If your product images, funnels, or thumbnails look amateur, they'll scroll past. With Canva, you can create eye-catching product covers and mock-ups, high-converting YouTube thumbnails, social media ads, and posts that pop in the feed. No design skills? Doesn't matter. Canva's drag-and-drop templates make your brand look high-end instantly. Grab your free Canva account from the link in the description and start designing your business assets today. And now, the mind-blowing tool number 5, Pictory.ai. This tool takes your script, blog post, or even bullet points and automatically turns them into high-quality videos, complete with captions, music, stock footage, and voiceovers. Why does this matter? Video content is the king of online trust. It's the fastest way to reach massive audiences on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook, all from the same video. You can turn one idea into multiple traffic sources in minutes. This is how you explode visibility without spending your life filming and editing. Get your free Pictory.ai account from the link in the description and start creating videos today and before your competition does. You now have the exact 5 free tools to build a full online business. Digistore.io for your funnels, Digistore24 for selling, ChatGPT for your copy, Canva for your branding, and Pictory.ai to broadcast your message everywhere. There's no excuse to wait. These tools are free, powerful, and ready for you to start using right now. Here's what you do. 1. Click every link in the description to set up your free accounts. 2. Follow the exact order I showed you. 3. Launch your first product today. Not next week, not next month, today. Because the people who take action now are the ones cashing in tomorrow. Hit like, subscribe to Elite Growth Maps, and let me know in the comments when your first sale comes in. I can't wait to celebrate with you. Stay elite.